Hey guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video, I have a good news for you guys. What's the good news? InShot has updated and released new features. Which features are we talking about? I got you good. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us all while, then you are welcome back. Today we are going to talk about new feature being released by our InShot app. That's the editing app some of us have been using to edit our videos and pictures as well for social media content. They've released a new feature, and what's that feature? I don't want to talk much. Hello guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever we upload new videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you've been here with us, welcome back. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, subscribe and support the channel. Now, without wasting my time, each and every one of you watching this video should open the InShot app if that's the application you are using or the editing app you are using. So what's the new feature? Let's hit on video or picture as if we want to edit something. So when you just hit blank. As I did a video earlier, I taught you where to get your new effects which you've unlocked. Then now let's hit sticker. So here are a bunch of free stickers or free effects that the InShot application has provided to its users for free. So the more you keep on swiping to the left, the more you see bunch of features. But as you can see, this is the new feature. And when you see this, what comes into your mind? The 2022 World Cup, right? Yeah, you got it there. So these are new features that has been provided by the developers of the InShot application. So there are a lot. These ones have unlocked them long ago, but these are the new ones. So if you're a content creator, who creates content concerning footballs and players and other stuffs, I think this, or especially for the 2022 World Cup, here these effects will help you as well. All the countries that participated in the World Cup 2022 with their flags, and that's it. It's so nice, and the way the flags are waving. So you can see there are a lot of countries, all the countries that participated, and this is just a short video to let you know there is a new update of features. So whatever it is, I'll let you guys know, and this is the end of the video. I hope the video was interesting. Yeah, I didn't deceive you guys. I told you I want to show you a new feature which has been updated. So I'm still your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video. Salam.